All right, we got this really nice KingCamp cot right here. Just a super easy to set up. It's really nice. We're gonna set it up right here and test it out. Just see how nice this is. And it pairs perfectly with the KingCamp cot pad that we'll also test out on top of it. So we can see both of these in action and how nice they are. All right, here we have the cot all right here. So this is all it is. It's just the mat here, and then your legs and your support bars. So the instructions for how to assemble this are right here on the inside of the bag, so they're not going to get lost on you. So let's get it all set up here, and we will test it out. All right, so we got it all installed here. So you can see on the back you have all the legs there. Just how nice and secure this cot feels. Yeah, so you can see, so this cot's gonna be great. It's really comfortable, really sturdy. So when you lay down on it, it's got a lot of support to it, which is really nice. It's gonna keep you off the ground, out of the elements, keep you a little bit warmer, which is all just a great addition here. And to make it even better, you can grab your sleeping pad here and open this up and put it on the cot to keep you nice and warm as well. So the back of this pad has a non-slip surface to it, which is a really nice touch. And yeah, so you can see here just is the perfect match for this cot. Fits on perfectly. And it makes you just that much more comfortable and an even better cot. All right, so this cot is great for adults up to 265 pounds. Super easy to assemble and set up. You can take it down about 10 seconds and put it away, so it's really nice there. So yeah, all those are great features to have.